How to manage security and account alerts notifications on Google Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage security and account alerts notifications on Google Mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google and then click on your profile here, and now click settings and then click here notifications and click notifications again here, and now go down until you find this one, security and account alerts. And as you see, that's how to turn off. And if you want to turn it on again, just click on it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.